So I just received a text message that um, the parcel that I ordered is arrived at the delivery hub here at Toledo. So I'm just gonna pick it up and not wait for them to deliver it. Good morning, everybody. So today is Saturday. As you can see, I'm on my bike right now, and I'm headed to pick up the parcel that I am being delivered to. So I'm headed to the nearest delivery hub here, so which is the Shoppee Express delivery hub. So right now I'm gonna be switching to the camera of my bike, and I'll be recording the road on the way to the delivery hub. So I just texted the delivery rider that I am about to arrive at the delivery hub. No, I'm not about to arrive, but I am about to go to the delivery hub. So we'll see if the delivery rider is already there at the sorting facility, as well as find out if I can pick up the package at this early of a time. See that right there? When I talked about yesterday about how pedal cab drivers would just stop without looking at the rear or their rear, that's what I'm talking about. So I almost bumped into the pedal cab because he hasn't got any signal to which he is about to stop. So that's one of the things that I needed to avoid in this road that I am going into, or like in general the roads here at our city. So because there is no bicycle lane, you will end up always at the highest part of the road, or the biggest part of the road, which is where the cars would pass through. And some of them even drive so fast that it's just a matter of life and death. So like, you just gotta be sharp in order for you to have this reaction time on when to like get out of the way. So I'm almost at the delivery hub, and I just hope that the rider is there for me to pick up the parcel and get back to riding home, so that I could get ready for the things that I must do today. So I just received a message that the delivery rider would arrive at the sorting facility at 8 in the morning. So it's currently 7:40. So I'm just gonna go and get my breakfast over here, so that we could hit two birds with one stone, which is I take my breakfast and pick up my parcel from the delivery hub. There is like a bakery right there, as you can see. So let's just find if what things or what bread can we buy there, or if they have coffee. So I just came from eating right there at the store. No, not there. Right there. They have the best eggs and rice. Now I'm headed back to the delivery hub and find out if the rider has arrived. The delivery rider has arrived, so I'm just preparing the payment right here. I'm just waiting for the rider to get my package and give it to me. 56, 59. 56. Autumn Emmanuel ni. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pila ka ni? Kira ka ni? Pantubig ba? Salamat ah. So I just received my parcel and it's time to go home and unbox this thing. So it's time to go home. Maybe find a spot to unwrap the parcel that I've received so that we could give it a review. So if you're wondering why I go to pick up the parcel and not wait for the delivery rider to deliver it, it's because I have this notion in mind that if I could pick up the item from the delivery hub, might as well pick it up because I have the free time. But if I am busy on that day, say for example I have a class or we are at the Balamban or Asturias, if the parcel is being delivered on a Sunday, so like I could like make my parents like pay for the parcel. But there are some times that they don't have the money necessary to pay my parcel. So what I do is when the rider texts me that my parcel is about to be delivered, I reply by saying I'm gonna go and pick it up, and if they say yes, I'm gonna pick it up at the delivery hub, just like what I did earlier. So that also makes me sure that the parcel I've got is what I really am expecting to receive. Because tendency is if you don't like check the parcel that you are going to receive, you might end up not receiving the item that you are really expecting. So that's my notion to how or why I decided to pick up the item from the delivery hub instead of getting it delivered to me personally. So what I'm thinking is let's unbox the parcel that I've got in the Toledo City Public Plaza, because I think that's a spot like outdoor unboxing, I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna try and find a spot here at the Toledo City Plaza for me to unbox the parcel that I've got. So because I can't ride my bike in the plaza, let's find a spot. So the battery from my camera just died. So as I've said earlier, I'm gonna try and get a spot here at the Toledo City Plaza so that I can unbox the parcel that I purchased. So I'm just gonna park the bike maybe somewhere over here so that I could sit on the table right there. So let's grab the parcel.
and scissors, as well as these glasses and this tripod for my phone. Where's the scissors? Here it is. So let's try and find a spot for me to unbox the parcel.
So it's time to unbox the parcel that I have purchased from Shoppee. It's right there. So let's try and see if what this parcel of mine is. Let's find out together. So I'm just gonna switch angles for a sec so that you can see the product view of this thing that I've got over here. Oh shoot! Of this thing that I purchased. So this is a big ass bowel thingy, but the thing that I purchased is this, both of these. So let's first find out what this first one is. So the first thing that I purchased is this 16 is this, what they call this, 10-in-1 like tool, credit card tool thingy that acts as a multi-tool that could fit on your wallet, as you can see over here. So let's put this for a sec inside and find out what my second parcel is, or the second card thingy is. So this card over here, this one over here is a what do you call this, a pocket like knife. So as you can see right here, if I could just get this to unfold. So this, hold on a sec. So this right here is like a card knife thingy. So this is like a sharp, as you can see. Yeah, so it's very sharp, and it compacts to a size of a credit card. So those are the two things that I purchased recently. So a card knife and a multi-tool card thingy. So why did I purchase these things right here? It's because sometimes we need to like do things, like say for example we need a knife to cut something up, or a knife to like open packages, something like that. So like we may never know when we'll need to cut some stuff or do some things. And for this multi-tool, it's complete. So it has like this right here for wood cutting. It also has like a blade here, a blade tip, which is also sharp, as you can see. But it doesn't get the job completely done as like with this mini knife over here. Also has the ruler and some bolts, nuts and bolt tighteners here, also here, and maybe a can opener here. I don't know. I haven't like seen the manual yet. So So for what I know, this is a bottle opener. So you'll do like this. So we might never know when we'll need tools at hand. And these tools are as compact as a credit card or as a normal sized ID. So I don't have my wallet, I think. Ah yes, I have my wallet with me. So to give you a bit of a context, so this right here is my wallet. So if we are to put first, let's have this knife thingy here. Let's put this in my wallet. So as you can see, there's the knife, then the multi-tool thingy over here, and my cards, they could just go over it. You can see, so there's the knife. So you could just put my Mercury card over here, there. Then my Cebuana cards here. Put this over here. And you won't even notice that they're over there. They're right there. They're in here. So I'm sorry, I am always bluddering my words. So yeah, with that being said, that concludes the unboxing part of this vlog of the parcel that I purchased earlier. So I need to go home so I could charge up the digital camera, which ran out of battery earlier, and maybe go to school. Who knows? Because my friend just chatted me right there. I'm using my phone right now to film because the digital camera ran out of battery. So I just looked at the manual for the multi-tool thingy over here, and these are the things that are included in the multi-purpose pocket survival tool. So just pause the video right here and also look at this over here so that you could get a gist of what's in the packages themselves. So it's time to go home. Throw away this garbage that we've got and get the things that we brought. So just find a trash can and go home. And it's a good thing my bike's still there. As you can see right there. There's my bike. Okay, so let's just put these things back in the trunk or the utility box right here. So wait a sec, I'm just gonna put this right there, open it up. Where's the keyhole? Can't find the freaking keyhole. So let's just put these things back in here. Alright, we are good to go. So I just got home from school and it's very hot right now, so I just took off my shirt because it's very hot. So as I was editing this video, I realized that it's about to be 20 minutes long. So I decided to end the video right here because nothing much will happen right now, because I am about to answer 4 assessment tasks for our academic proficiency subjects. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, because the assessment task is very long. It's about 200 items because it consists of 50 items per task. So that about it wraps up this day. So if you like this vlog, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Follow me in my social media accounts, and if you want to purchase the items that I have reviewed earlier, I'm gonna put the Shopee link in the description box below. So, see you on the next vlog.